What's up, everybody? It is Kiki with Team Reese Travels, and I am here on my own right now, but Ray and RJ will be joining me. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hopefully you get some information that you need out of it. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. We're glad to have you. Hopefully you'll stick around, hit the like button and the subscribe button. But anyway, we have something going on today. So we are getting ready to prepare for a cruise that's coming up in just a few days, and RJ has to have a COVID test 3 days in advance because he is not vaccinated yet, because he's not old enough to be vaccinated yet. So because Ray and I are old enough and we do have the vaccine, which is required, by the way, for this particular cruise, we don't have to do this, but RJ does. So we have this home testing kit by 𝐦𝐨𝐬 that we're going to be using, that we're going to use to test RJ. So Ray's going to bring RJ down here in a little bit. I wanted to kick off the video while RJ is not here because he doesn't know about the trip, y'all. It's a surprise for him. So we got to figure out how we're going to tell him, how we're going to convince him to do this COVID test without telling him why, but we'll do that. But we just wanted you to see all the steps to doing it yourself. If you have a child that you need to do the home testing kit with, we wanted to just give you some understanding of what that process is. So we'll get started. All right, so Ray and RJ are here now. We're getting ready to show you how to use this 𝐦𝐨𝐬 Diagnostics at Home COVID test. So we're gonna do a COVID test, RJ. It's not gonna be bad, okay?
It's gonna be a shot.
No, it's not a shot.
That's
It's
better.
not a shot. And it's not the one that goes way, way, way up your nose either. It just goes right in here, a little bit, okay? So we have the 𝐦𝐨𝐬 Diagnostics at Home Testing Kit. And we are going to open it up. So the first thing you see when you open the box is the document that you have to send back with your sample. So you have to review all of this. It already has his information on it, address. It says that we don't have insurance, which we do, so we're gonna change that and put our insurance info on here. You have to write the specimen collection date and time, and then you have a little sticker that'll go on the vial with the sample. We also have a UPS slip, which is for UPS next day air early. So you're instructed to do the test exactly 3 days prior, and then take it to a UPS store, not an access point. It has to be a UPS store or a UPS drop box. Use this label to package it and send it off. You also have a bag that your sample will go in and that your label will attach to. This is a little vial that your sample will go in. It has some liquid in it, so be careful not to spill that. A biohazard bag. And these are the instructions. So you get an instruction sheet that looks like that. Has front and back. It tells you everything that's in the kit, which I just went through. So we're gonna start with the instructions. It says, step 1, please read all of the instructions before beginning collection. Children under 18 need to be supervised by an adult. So I read all these instructions last night, so I'm just gonna read them one by one as we go through them. All right, so number 2, wash and dry hands before opening the kit. I did that already before I opened the kit. Open the kit and place all the contents on a clean, dry surface. So you have all contents, clean, dry surface, okay? Take the swab out of its package.
Let's just lay out to do something too.
Okay, after we finish this, okay? I'm gonna take the swab out of the package right here. Take the swab. Do not touch the tip of the swab. Okay. It actually says that next. Do not touch the tip of the swab with your hands. So, step 4, unscrew the top of the collection tube. So I'm gonna ask for Raymel's help there. You can unscrew that, please. And hold on to it. Hold the swab in one hand and the collection tube in the other, being careful not to spill the liquid. So we got 2 people. So I'm gonna hold the swab, he's gonna hold the tube. Insert swab into nose no more than ½ inch. Twist along the inside of the nostril for 10 seconds. Repeat both sides. All right, I gotta get your nose. Hey, Hey, I gotta get your nose. Okay, you're not gonna get your special surprise if we can't do this. Okay, we gotta do it now, okay? I'm gonna do this side, 1/2 inch into the nose. 10 seconds. Oh, come back.
It's good.
I know it tickles, doesn't it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. I gotta do the other one.
No, it's gonna tickle more.
I gotta do the other side. Come on. 1, 2. Oh, come back, RJ. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. All right. Place swab in the tube. Can I see the tube? Place the swab into the tube. Break the swab at the breaking point. Here's the breaking point right here. You can see it. There's a little notch in it. You'll be able to see that. Break it. Slide it in there. In there. Close the lid completely.
Why did you put it in my nose?
You are gonna enjoy the surprise, I promise. Okay, close the lid securely. Step 7, peel the barcode label found on the test requisition form. Here's the barcode from the test requisition.
Stop before you fall. Don't do that. Remember Daddy told you what happened to him when he was leaning in the chair? Sit down. Have a seat.
Show everybody something.
Why can't I get this off? There we go. All right. Now, very important, you have to put this on the right way. So, stick the label on the tube as shown. So you're gonna wanna put the tube, do not do it like that. You wanna do it the long way so that you can see the entire label once you roll it around. I'm covering it up because I don't want you to see our day's info, but you have to make sure that it's like that. You put it on the opposite way, you're gonna cover up some of the info that they need to see when they receive the sample. So that's done. Wash and dry hands thoroughly again. And go wash my hands. All right, so I have my hands washed and dried thoroughly. Insert the collection tube into the biohazard specimen bag. Boom. Seal the biohazard specimen bag. Boom. It's a Ziploc seal, and it is sealed. Verify the information on the test requisition form. Enter the specimen collection data. I need a pen. Can you give me a pen, please?
Yeah.
And I need an insurance card, too.
Here's a pen.
Thank you. So double check your information, guys, because my insurance info is not on here. We definitely do have insurance, so I want to make sure that gets corrected. Into the specimen collection date and time. Today is the 1st of November, 2021. I collected the sample. I made note of the time. It was 8:39 a.m.
So I would suggest to maybe note the time right before you get started, or write it down. That way, when you put it on there, or write it down on the paper. That way, when you get started, you won't have to try to go back and think like, man, what time did I do that?
That's what the instruction sheet looks like. That's where all the actual instructions are. This is the front cover. It's actually it's made sort of like a booklet. It comes like that. And then the bottom half tells you everything that comes inside of your kit.
Right.
And this is, you guys saw.
And those are pretty clear instructions. Like you follow. They got pictures on them, so you know they clear instructions. It's not just. Okay, you might have to go get your purse.
Can you go get it?
Okay.
It's in the truck. Get all the way to where we going. My purse is not there. Cut it out.
Oh jeez. Oh Lord.
Bet you I get this insurance card quick.
That is actually something like wraps.
Oh my God, my wrist.
All right.
I need a cream for that
RJ's
thing.
on your insurance, right?
Yep.
Okay. So let Let me fill in our insured.
Hey, please comment below if you all who are viewing this have taken this test at home for yourself or any, maybe your child or children or grandchildren or nieces or nephews or whoever. And let us know how it worked out for you. Or if you've been considering it because of some moves you're gonna make. We'll say moves right now. Some moves you're gonna make. Are you apprehensive about doing it yourself? Are you nervous? Let us know in the comments below. Just try to get some engagement. Let other people think. Let other people know that you're not the only one that's thinking about it, or you're not the only one that wants to do it.
Yeah. So like I was saying earlier too, we are going to get tested as well, even though it's not required. We'd rather know for sure, because we have to get tested at the port. But before we even get there, we want to make sure we good. So all of us are going to get a test at like just a Walgreens or CVS or something today too. But this is the one that we are doing to submit to them.
Right, directly.
For RJ. Okay, so form is done. Then I have to put the form. There's supposed to be a pocket here, which there is. So you can't really see it that well, but there's a little pocket on the front of this bag that you can put this slip in where it won't actually come in contact with the test itself. I have everything on the form.
Hey, I wonder if you can do this. You know how they keep telling you to go wash your hands, which you should wash your hands. That's sanitary. But I wonder if you can do this test with gloves.
I'm sure you can. When they do the test for you, they have gloves.
Right, and so that's another way you can think about doing it too, to keep you from, especially if you're doing it with your child or children, instead of you having to get up and go wash your hands every time, but at least, have a couple pair of gloves ready, and you just change the gloves when necessary, especially if you're doing more than one child. So that's a good thing.
Next step. So I got it in here. Verify the information, sign the form. I signed the form. Place the specimen bag into your shipping box. I don't have a shipping box. They sent us a shipping bag, so that's where I'm gonna put this. All right, so there's instruction on here. Lay this on a flat surface. Peel off the clear plastic from the back side of the strip, exposing the adhesive. Tack together the opening gently work from the center. Press hard. Okay, so this goes. I don't know what that's for. Maybe to soak up anything if the liquid spills out.
Yeah.
Put this in here. And then you have to peel off this. There's like a clear cellophane here.
Ooh, cellophane.
Get rid of that. Put that there. There's that. Very important. Do not forget to put this on there. You ain't going nowhere if you forget to put this on there. So this goes, ain't going nowhere. You heard, RJ.
So you heard.
Place label in this space. And also, make sure you write down your tracking number that's on here or take a picture of it or something so that you will have a record of the tracking for this package, because you are going to want to follow this thing and make sure that it arrived where it was supposed to arrive, when it was supposed to arrive.
I say take a picture.
Yeah, you want to take a picture with your phone, man?
Yeah. I say take a picture, or even what you can do, where's my camera?
I'm sorry for the glare over here, y'all. It's like the sun is like beaming through the front door.
What you can also do is maybe just write it down in a text message and just click the link. Make it into a link, but take a picture of it. That'll probably be better.
Got it? Can you send me the picture?
Yeah, I'll take one more just in case.
Okay. And that is it. That's it. We're gonna go drop this off at a UPS store, and we're gonna go and do the test that we said Ray and I were gonna do, which y'all seen people take COVID tests before by now. I'm sure you ain't gonna need to see that one, but this one we thought was kind of unique because it's an at-home test, and we just wanted people to see what it's like for doing that with your child at home. So
interesting, it's very interesting. But he hey, if you all know RJ, he did really good.
Come here, babe. Come on, high five.
Hi, kitty.
You did a great job. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a video. You are gonna wanna see the videos that are coming up, okay? You don't wanna miss them. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And we will see you next time. And until then, Team Reese, oh, daddy.